Follow the steps on how to remove the tree background perfectly using Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Before, I will crop the image a little. Make sure you have prepared the channel panel, or you can bring it up from the window. Go back to the layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate. Turn off the original layer. Open the channel and select blue. Next, set the levels. Adjust it to black and white. Activate the brush. Hold Alt and click the black area to pick color. Press the square bracket to set the brush size. Apply to this white part. After that, click this icon. Select RGB and go back to layer. Press delete. Finally, press Ctrl D to deselect. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.